In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people to a board on Trello. Adding people to your Trello board is essential if you're working with a team, a client, or even just organizing a project with friends or family. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each step, explain what's happening on screen, and share a few tips so you feel confident inviting the right people with the right level of access. First, open your web browser and go to Trello. Then sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're in, navigate to the specific board where you want to add people. This might be a project board, a content calendar, a to-do list, or anything else you've created. Make sure you're on the correct board, because the people you invite will only get access to this particular board, not all of your boards. At the top right corner of the board, look for the Share button. Depending on your interface, this might simply say Share, or show an icon with a person and a plus sign. Click on that button to open the sharing panel. This is where you manage who has access to the board. Inside the sharing panel, you'll see a field where you can invite people. Click in that field and type in the email address of the person you want to add. Take a moment to double check the spelling of the email address so the invitation goes to the right person. You can add more than one person, but do it one at a time to keep it organized and avoid mistakes. Before you send the invite, look for a drop-down next to the person's name or email that lets you choose their role on the board. Here, you'll usually see options like member and admin. Choose member if you want them to be able to view and work with cards, lists, and checklists, but not change critical settings. Choose admin only if you trust them to manage the board itself, including changing permissions and removing other members. This role has more power, so use it carefully. Once you've selected the appropriate role, click on the Share button to send the invitation. Trello will send an email invite to that address, and once they accept it, they'll appear as a member of your board. You can always come back to the same sharing panel later to adjust roles or remove access if you need to.